Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I just got back a couple of days ago from a very long trip that I had when I was visiting my family in Florida. And while I was there, I got tons of mail, one of them, actually several of them, being Curated Bead Box. I didn't realize that I was still getting them. I actually had canceled my subscription. This year I am not purchasing a lot of beads. I got a lot of beads and it's just getting a little overwhelming. So trying to save some money and just use what I have. But I guess I only paused it for a few months because they started coming back. I think it was April. And this is May. Yeah, this is May's unboxing that I'll be doing. And I'll leave a link at the end of this for April's unboxing. And eventually I am going to be making some jewelry with the things. But anyway, let's open this box up. Alright, let's see what it's all about. Ooh, Mystic Orient. Let me show you what this is, the picture and what's in it. I'll leave links down in the description box below, so if you wanted to get your own curated bead box, you could. And I have a really good coupon code for you, so you can check that out. But they do have a sister shop, which I will also leave links for that for you, so you can check that out. But if you wanted to buy any of these, this is what that is. With each curated bead box, in addition to all these pretty things, you get what's called a let me see. What do they call it? A findings starter kit. And Dollar Beads right there, that's their sister shop. But in the starter findings kit, you get everything you need to make necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and I'll show you what's in that after I show you all the pretty beads that are in here. Alright, put this over here so I can refer to it as I'm showing you. Ooh, I love these colors. Looks like we have silver this month, which is good. I like silver. I'm not a fan of gold. All right. Oh, I love the colors here. Let me get these organized. Usually they have it from large beads to small beads. So let me get these all organized and we'll go through them one by one. So the first thing I want to go through is the Finders Kit. And we have memory wire, beading wire, ear wires, lobster claws, we have stretch cord, jump rings, head pins. Don't worry, when they come like this, that's okay. I actually really like their head pins. If I wanted to do any wire wrapping, they're very easy to wire wrap, but they are sturdy too. And then we have crimp beads, which I don't use crimp beads. I use what they call clamshell bead caps, and I have lots of videos on how I use those. But these could be used as spacer beads. One thing that is unique about this particular subscription is the fact that you get a findings kit. So if you are new to making jewelry, or you know somebody that is new, or maybe you or your friend really doesn't make a whole lot of jewelry, you have everything here to get started with. So this makes a really, really good gift for yourself or whoever. All right, so the first thing, as far as the beads go, we have this 10mm Summer Glory Crackle Season glass bead and 8-inch string. Isn't that pretty? I love these colors. They're orange and pink. It's kind of a peachy orange, I guess you could say, and a bubblegum pink. I really like to put my yellows and pinks together, but I think orange and pink look really good together too. And then the next thing we have, oh, yellow. You know I love yellow. If you've been following me anytime, you know that I love yellow. These are 10 millimeter yellow marble style glass beads. We have an 8-inch string. Let me put these over here so you can just kind of see how they've curated all this. Oh, these are pretty. We have another 10 millimeter string, fuchsia swirl marble style glass beads, a 6-inch string. Aren't those pretty? We got pink and white and some purple in there. Oh, these are beautiful. My granddaughters would actually love these beads. Not all of them, but a lot of them are into pink and purple. Actually, I have a granddaughter whose favorite color is yellow. All right. Then we have, oh, these are pretty. So far, I'm really liking this box. This is a 8 millimeter green purple duo style glass bead, 10-inch string. There's the blue there. These are beautiful. Look how pretty this all looks together. Now I'm excited about this next strand. It's a 7 to 8-inch string, 8 millimeter lapis lazuli gemstone beads. And I know exactly what I'm going to do with these. So one of my daughter-in-laws, she's got some thyroid issues, and she has changed her diet. She's really thin, so she doesn't really have weight issues as far as too much weight. She has the opposite problem, and she just has a lot going on right now with her health. But one of the things that she mentioned, and you know, we don't know if it really works or not, but we're to a point where we'd like to try it, is the throat chakra. If any of you know anything about chakras or crystals and how to use them, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd be really curious. But blue stones are supposed to be good for the throat chakra, and you know, your thyroid is in your throat, and supposedly blue stones are supposed to be good for your health. So we'll see. But she asked if I would make her a little dainty necklace that has some blue in it, and she did mention lapis lazuli, so that's what these are going to be used for. All right, the next thing we have is they are a 6.0 baby pink opaque glass seed beads, a 1 ounce bag. Aren't those pretty? And then the next thing we have is about a 1 ounce pink silver designer glass bead mix. Let's look through here, see what we have. Ooh, lots of different beads. I'll just lay these out here for you. These are glass pearls here. Oh, that's interesting. I think I only have one of those. There's some lighter pink ones like that, though. Where'd it go? So the next thing we have are these right here. It's about a 1 ounce pale yellow silver designer bead mix. So basically, it's the same thing I just showed you. But this time, instead of it being pink and silver, it is a very pale yellow and silver. Ooh, I love these yellow beads. They're pretty. Look at the sparkle. And these are very lightweight. And you know what? I think they're top drilled. Well, some of them are top. Wait a minute. I thought I saw one that was top drilled. Maybe not. But those are really pretty and sparkly. So the next thing we have is another bag, about a 1 ounce crystal white designer glass beads. These look a little different. Lots of beads there. Look at that. We have some tube beads. We have some, well, these are interesting. I don't know if you can tell. These little bicones. You see the hole? They're a little different than normal. Then we have these bicones. A very nice mixture here. In fact, all this is going to really look nice together. It's going to be pretty. Is to put them all together in just a very simple necklace. Maybe like an illusion type necklace. That would be pretty. All right, let's get these back in. Whoops, I got beads. Ah, sorry about that. Don't want to lose any of these. When I'm getting these back in, the next thing we're going to have is a 10 by 6 silver metal barrel spacer beads, 8 beads. Ooh, they got big holes. These would really look good like on a bracelet. Use that elastic cording. And what's on them kind of reminds me of a Celtic, kind of a Celtic knot look type ornamentation on there. I like these a lot. All right. Then the next thing we have, oh, we got some bead caps coming up. I love bead caps. 6mm silver metal bead caps, about 25 of them. They're just little flowers. Got about 25 of those. You can never have too many bead caps. All right, the next thing we have is a 54 by 36mm silver metal half moon pendant chandelier. So we need to find something to glue in the middle there. And we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little dangles. That's nice. This is the back. And you know, I might paint this. Sometimes these type things, they kind of turn on you. But if you paint them, I think it does much better. I'm not for sure if this will turn, but just in case, I may go ahead and paint it. I could paint it like a blue and use something like these on there. That would be pretty. Now, the last thing we have are these pink tassels, 130 by 6mm pink polyester tassels, and there's 5 of them. And we've gotten tassels before from Curated Bead Box. I really don't know what I'm going to use them for, but we'll see. But this is the Curated Bead Box for May of 2024. I love the colors. I'm excited to get started with creating. I already know one thing I'm going to be making, of course, with the lapis there. But look how pretty all these colors are together. So stay tuned for some more videos. And let me know down in the comment section below if you get Curated Bead Box and what do you think of it. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now.